Hey guys, happy Saturday. Today we are in Chinatown here in London.
Although we live in London, we often don't come to a lot of the popular areas, and we haven't really been to Chinatown in, I think, a long time. I'm not sure if we've ever been together, to be honest. So we're going to have a look around, try and find some food, see what's going on in Chinatown.
Alright, so Chinatown is not like humongous. I don't know how much time we'll actually spend here, but there are a lot of food stalls, a lot of restaurants. It's very lively. Definitely check it out if you come to London. They're putting the Chinese lanterns up because it's about to be Chinese New Year on January 29th. We actually didn't even think about that, but it's quite cool that we came to Chinatown and all of the preparation is taking place.
It's going to be the year of the dragon.
All right, we found this Chinese supermarket. We're gonna go in and check it out.
Okay, so it seems like they don't just have Chinese stuff here. They have loads of different things. So they got Japanese, Korean. They got 3 floors. You got Thai, Malaysian, Philippine, Singaporean.
We have a ton of Chinese snacks. Everything looks really yummy. I've never tried any of these snacks. They look very enticing, although because of my 2025 diet, I don't think I'll be trying any, but 2024 or past me would have loved to devour everything in this aisle. I think Guy's gonna get it. See, this store is huge. It doesn't look big from the outside, but once you go inside, there's like many floors and tons of different Chinese and just like Asian food and veggies and spices. Anything you might need, I think you can find it here. Guy was looking forward to find the matcha Kit Kats. He's obsessed with those, but we can't seem to find any here.
Probably have to stick with the Hello Pandas.
He's gonna get some Hello Pandas and he's gonna do a little review for us a little bit later, so stick around if you want to see. I'm probably not going to say the name right, but we came to Sha-Xian Delicacies. It's very small in here, but very cozy. And it's not overly crowded. We didn't need a reservation, so come check it out if you're in Chinatown. Our soup just got here. I got the braised pork soup. Looks really good. And Guy, what did you get?
Yeah, so I got some duck soup as well, or duck noodle soup. So it's got duck, some vegetables, a bit of chili, and some noodles in there somewhere.
We're so excited to dig in.
It's tasty. The bun is nice and soft. Feels nice, and the pork inside tastes good as well. I like it. Thank you. Okay, so today we came past the Chinatown Bakery, which is always really popular. I've walked past many times. There's always a huge queue, and I didn't know what it was for, so decided to check it out today. Apparently, the queue is for these little fish kind of donut things that are filled with custard. Cheap as well, so 4 of these little fish, only £2.50, and they're making them right there, so they're really warm. So let's see what they taste like. Little fish. Oh. I didn't expect it to drip. It's nice though. You should probably eat it all in one bite, but it's nice and it's really hot inside. You see it steaming. So it's a good thing to warm you up when you're cold around here.
Right, we are done here at Chinatown. We are now gonna go home and make some orange chicken to keep the Chinese spirit going. We've only made orange chicken once before, like 2-3 years ago, so it's been a while. We know it's not super authentic, but that's like probably one of the only Chinese dishes we can make, so we're gonna attempt to remake it again. And yeah, let's see how it goes. We just made it back from Chinatown. We sat down, settled for a little, and now obviously we're hungry again, so we're gonna start to make our orange chicken. Guy is already in the kitchen getting everything prepped.
First thing we're gonna do though is chop the chicken, so we're gonna dice it into little squares. So the chicken is chopped and now we need to make the batter for it. So we're gonna use plain flour. We're just gonna use, I think, whatever's left in here. Now we're gonna put in the cornstarch. Next we're gonna put in some salt and pepper. Then we're gonna put some pepper in. Just gonna take a teaspoon also. Let's mix that around just a little bit. But then we're gonna put in 1 egg. And then we're gonna put in some water. Okay, so we've mixed that together into quite a smooth batter. The last thing we need in here is about 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, so once that's done, we're just going to put the chicken in there so it can really soak in the batter. So then we're going to fry the chicken. So we don't have too much oil, but we're going to work with what we've got. Then we're going to drop our chicken in there to fry. So we took out the chicken that's been fried. Now it's time to make the orange chicken sauce. So we put some oil in this pan, and we're going to add in some chili flakes. Add in some ginger, and we're going to put in some garlic. Okay, so once that's frying a little bit, next up we're going to put some sugar in. So we're using brown sugar here. Then we're going to put some orange juice in. We juiced this ourselves. Came out of 2 oranges. And then a similar amount of vinegar. And then roughly 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then we're going to pour in a mixture of cornstarch and water, roughly 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. And then once the sauce gets a little bit thick, just takes a couple of minutes, then we're going to put the chicken back in to cook in the sauce. Okay, so once that's heated up again, then it's good to go. So we're going to pour that onto the plate. Yeah, so we made some egg fried rice on the side as well.
Alright, and as always, I have to do a taste test. So, I'm gonna grab some orange chicken. I like the orange chicken. This one's like quite spicy, and I like it. The rice is okay. It's good. It's good. But I think maybe next time we need to maybe use different rice. I think this is brown rice, and I think for egg fried rice, you usually use like jasmine or another type of, like a different type of grain. It's good, but yeah, I think we just need to experiment with different rice next time. But other than that, really good.
Okay, so I'm pretty full after that, but I have to try these Hello Pandas that I got in Chinatown. So they're essentially biscuits with chocolate flavor filling. Let's see how it tastes. It's not bad, to be honest. I'm not sure if I'd want to eat loads of them, but it tastes pretty basic. Just, yeah, a little bit of biscuit, a little bit of chocolate inside. I probably wouldn't get them again, but they were okay.
We're gonna keep practicing on those reviews, but that concludes our Chinatown China Day vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Guys, is there anything you'd like to say?
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Bye.
See you. So I'm not right on the edge.
There's a freaking car coming. Although we live in London, we don't really Although we live in London, we feel like we really haven't really. Although we live in London, we haven't really checked out Chinatown, so we're excited to walk through Chinatown, have some food, taste.
Yeah, so although we live in London, we don't really do too much. Oh, no, that's not good. Okay, so although Okay, so although we live in London, we often don't do